Welcome to TeamBoard for Monday.com Tutorial 6. In our last session, we learned how to set up and manage scheduled hours and team capacity. Today, we're going to look at how to track team members' time using Timelogs and Timesheets. First, let's discuss the difference between planned time and actual time spent. Planned time is the time scheduled for each team member, allowing managers to see how much work is planned compared to each person's capacity. Actual time spent, or time logs, on the other hand, record the actual hours a user spends working on a task. This is updated by the team members as they work. There are 3 simple ways to log your work. The first way to log time is directly from the schedule board. Right-click the item on the schedule board and select Log Work from the menu. A dialog box will appear. Simply enter the actual hours spent in the time spent field and you're done. The second way is to log time from the item page. Click the plus icon to add a new view. Select TeamBoard from the options. Click Add Work Log to start recording your hours. The third way is from the time tracking board. Click the plus button on the time tracking board. Fill out the work log details in the dialog box that appears. After logging your hours, you can easily review or manage them. Click on the total hours number to see all work logs. Here you can update, delete, or add more logs as needed. If you're a regular user, you can only log and manage your own work logs. However, if you're an admin, you can switch to Team View to check the work logs for specific teams and even log time for other members if necessary. For time tracking, TeamBoard also support timesheet approvals. This feature allows managers or team leads to review and approve submitted timesheets for accuracy and completeness before finalizing them. To learn more, check out our timesheet approval video in the description. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.